Hello art friends, today we're going to learn how to make some digital Easter eggs in Gravit Designer. So this is pretty much going to be the end result. As you can see right here, oh, it's gone. Let's get started right away. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the pen tool. And we're going to just use the pen tool to make a path. We're going to click the pen tool one time, hold it down, and drag it over to, I'm dragging it to the right, just a little bit like that. And that's the top line of the top of the egg. Then I'm going to go down to where the bottom of the egg is. And I'm going to click again, and this time I'm going to drag it to the left, and I'm going to go a little bit further so my egg is a little bit bigger on the bottom, just like that. Now I'm going to bring it back up to the top in the same spot, click it, and drag it about the same amount out until I get it looking like an egg. Perfect. That's perfect. Okay, I'm going to go over here, I'm going to get my select tool, and I think I'm going to maybe just make it a little bit thinner so it's more egg shaped. There we go. We got my first egg. Now I'm selecting it so it's all selected, and I'm going to come over here to my fill, and you can see it's filled in white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a gradient. So I'm going to grab a Radial Gradient, and it starts off black and white, but I don't want that. So I'm going to click here, I'm change my first color to, let's say, yellow, nice Easter color, and then my outside color from black to, I don't know, maybe dark red. Ooh, that looks nice. Alright, so there's my first egg. Hey, we're almost done. Look how much fun that was. I'm now going to copy this egg. Control C on my keyboard. Make sure it's selected. Control C, Control V. And it looks like I didn't paste it, but if I just move my egg, you're going to see it's right there. Now I'm going to take one egg, and I'm going to put them on one side, and I'm going to take the other egg, and I'm going to put them on the other side. And I'm going to smallify these two eggs because they're kind of big. And I want them to be behind the first egg, which I'm going to paste in a minute. So I've got two eggs a little bit smaller, and I'm going to change the color. So I'm basically going to go back to my fill, still using my gradient, and I'm just going to change my colors. So maybe this one I'm going to make pink and purple. That's the Easter color. And I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to make this one a little different color too. I'll make this one green. And the background color, I'm going to make a darker green by just dragging this down a little bit. Now one thing I just noticed is the highlight is right in the middle, and I kind of don't like that, so I'm going to move that so it's up towards the top. I think it looks more egg-like. I'm going to do that one on this one too. Come back here, click on my gradient, and then I can just move it up to the top so it looks more egg-like. Sweet. Alright, now remember I still have that in my clipboard, my original egg. So I'm going to Control V, and I'm going to pop my first egg back in. Now remember, he's bigger, so he looks like he's a little bit more up front, which is cool. I'm going to fix his gradient too. I should have done the gradient fixing from the beginning, right? That would have made more sense. Anyway, that's okay. Alright, last thing to do is I want to give him a little shadow. So I'm going to go up here to my shape tool. I'm going to click my lips, and I'm just going to put in a little shadow there. That's nice. But of course it's in front of it, which is kind of weird. So, but look at the layers palette. Each time you make a shape, it makes its own layer. So all I gotta do is click the ellipse right there, drag it down to the bottom, and now it's behind. And there it is, my Easter eggs. All ready for Easter. Alright, go make some digital eggs, give it a try, and you can do a lot more things. I'm just doing a basic egg here shape just to show you how to do it. You can go and you can paint those, put little decorations on them, all kinds of fun. Hey, have fun. It's almost Easter egg time. Make some Easter eggs.